Some fruits are good for your dogs, while some can be truly dangerous to their health. Some of the most frequent questions people ask about dogs relate to the kinds of foods dogs can and can't eat. In this video, we're going to look at oranges and answer the question, can dogs eat oranges? So, let's get right to it. Oranges, are they good or are they bad for your dog? Well, oranges are kind of in the middle. To answer the question, yes, dogs can eat oranges, and we can include tangerines and clementines in this group as well. They are not toxic to dogs, unlike, say, grapes. However, even if these citrusy fruits are not toxic, it is recommended that you feed them to your dogs in moderation. Why? Well, because these oranges contain high sugar volumes, it can potentially cause stomach issues for your doggos. GI upset can happen if your pets eat too much of something, including oranges. While the citric acid in oranges is not usually a concern for dogs, it can lead to obesity and other health issues if you feed them too many oranges. So, to summarize, yes, dogs can eat oranges as long as it is in moderation. If you want to give them to your dog, it's recommended that you only give them as a treat and not as part of their daily diet. If your dog accidentally eats too many oranges in one sitting, we highly suggest monitoring them carefully for any changes in their behavior and appetite. This is just a precaution so you know whether to call your veterinarian or not. Again, as we always say here in Keep Your Pets Healthy, it is best to consult your vet first before you give your dog oranges for the first time, or any food for the first time. It is always better to see if your dog has any allergies or previous food sensitivities before introducing them to a new food. With that being said, we hope your dog enjoys oranges, but remember that moderation is key. To get more answers to common questions about dogs as well as other pet-related articles that will make you laugh, cry, and even restore your faith in humanity, please visit keepyourpetshealthy.org.